On my skin, we fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you.
Hey gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Karen. I do hope that you will hit that subscribe button and stay. So today I have Boxycharm, and I'm pretty sure this is the premium. I get a lot of Boxy nowadays, and I still have that giveaway going on from last month where I'm giving away the entire base box. So I'll put that link in the description box, but today we're going to be unboxing, it looks like this is the premium. Okay, so we're unboxing the premium, and this is the collaboration with Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, and I am dying to try Fenty products. I have not yet, so I am super excited about that. Okay, so we got the card. And then we have the value and all of what's in the box on the back of that. This is the $35 a month subscription. Ooh, what is going on with my box? My box seems like it's a little messed up. I do like how they have Fenty everywhere. That's neat for the collaboration. Usually that's packaged a little bit better. Everything just kind of came like that. So we've got a palette. It's the first thing I see. What is the, oh, it's kind of heavy. The box overall felt really light though. What variation is this? Are there different variations? I think there are. Let me see. So the eyeshadow palette is the Moroccan Spice. It's got 16 pigmented shades. Matte, satin, pearl, metallic, and shimmer finishes. And the value is $29. I don't see... Okay, I'm thinking everyone's probably gotten the same thing. Okay, let's open her up, shall we? Ooh, look at that packaging. That's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay, can I open it? It's got a mirror, and there they are. Let me pull this aside so you guys can see. Ooh, beautiful. I'm super excited to try her products. Let's see what else we have. Okay, so we've got the eyeshadow palette, which was $29. Then we've got Invisimate blotting paper. And this looks like, okay, that doesn't go with that. Okay, so we've got blotting paper. That's the $16 value. All right. It looks like there's a component in here, I guess. You guys know what blotting papers are. It's for oily skin. I hope if you're out the summertime too and you start sweating and you want to touch up your makeup. I was never really a big fan of those. Okay, so it's got a component and it looks like it's a roll of blotting papers. Looks like a lipstick, and it's got like a little mirror on it. There's the roll of blotting papers. I'm guessing that just goes in here. Oh, look at that. Okay, yeah. So it just goes in here. And then you just take it out and use it. That's neat. All right. Okay, what was the value? $16? Okay, let's see what I see next. Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick. Griselda is the shade. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, her packaging is super cute. Look at that. It's a thin looking like lipstick. Oh, and it's got her. Okay. I don't know if this color will be my color or not. I don't think so. I think it's going to be way too dark for me. So I'm not going to swatch that. I'll put that aside. Maybe I'll do that. Put that in a giveaway for you guys. What was it's $18, the Plush Matte Lipstick. Okay, let's see what else we got. Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter. Okay. Put this box over here. The highlighter has a $36 value. Ooh, Trophy Wife. I'm just wondering if some of these things are going to be not right for my skin tone. Oh wow, look. Packaging, super cute. Ooh, it is super pretty and it's got a mirror, but that is definitely not for my skin tone. I need to be darker for that. So whether I'm tan or I give it to somebody who's got a darker complexion, that would work beautifully on. So I'm not going to swatch that because I'm not going to use it. All right, let's see what else we got. Matchstick Shimmer Skin Stick in Confetti. I don't know if that's the color on it or not. So what does this say? A magnetized makeup stick in a long wear light as shimmer formula to highlight, blush, and enhance. It has a $25 value. Okay, let's open it from the bottom. Hopefully this is one I can use. Is it the hexagon? Okay, look. Super cute packaging, definitely. Aw, now this I can play with. That looks neat. Let's go ahead and swatch her. Look at that. That's super pretty. Ooh, I could probably even put some of that on here. Right there. Ooh, I like. Let's just see. A tiny bit, 'cause I've already got some highlight on. Oh yeah, super pretty. Okay. Did I tell you what the, yes, it's $25. So that I can keep. Woohoo! Okay, let me see what the last product is. Gloss Bomb? $19. Ooh. That is pretty. So this could go over any lipstick, I'm guessing. Because I don't think you'd wear it by itself. Is it a sticky one though? I hate sticky glosses. Ugh. Oh, I'm swatching it. I think it's gonna be sticky. I think I just dropped it. Oh yeah. It's not super, super sticky. But if your hair was blowing in the wind, it would totally get stuck on your lip gloss. Okay, so that's what we got. I have to say overall I'm happy. I do like this box. I've wanted to try Fenty Beauty for a really long time. And although I will not use the matte lipstick or the highlighter, I can put that in a giveaway for you guys. So that'll be fine. And then the lip gloss I can use, and I probably will at some point. The highlighting stick is definitely a shade that I can use. And the eyeshadow palette and the blotting strips, I will definitely be giving it a try. So what did you think? Did you get this month's box? Do you like Fenty Beauty? Have you tried it? My daughter's tried like the foundation and stuff and she's liked it, but I've never tried anything. So I'm super excited to like dive in here and do a look with this eyeshadow palette. If that's something you guys want to see, definitely put that in the comments below. I just want to take the time to thank you so very much for being a part of the Gem family. You guys know that I call you guys my gems, my Gem squad. I really do appreciate all of your comments and all of you, and I've got some really awesome videos coming out in the next couple days. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you will be notified when I do upload. And if you have any questions about this box, let me know. Put them in the comments below. I will do my very best to answer them. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Love you. Bye.
Nowhere left to run. Oh, trying to bide our time. We know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Swim against your tide, it keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall, can we rise through it all?